Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a really large bird you will find in Sri Lanka. The LEGGE'S Hawk-Eagle. The LEGGE'S Hawk-Eagle is a bird of prey like all eagles. It is in the family Accipitridae. They are the large, slim hawk-eagle with a white-tipped crest, striped grey cheeks and long feathered legs. It breeds in the Indian subcontinent from southern India to Sri Lanka. It has strongly barred broad wings and a long tail. Unlike the otherwise very similar crested hawk-eagle, the streaking on LEGGE'S is restricted up to the upper breast, and its breast, belly and thighs are strongly barred. Has an upright stance when seen perched in canopy and of forested hills. It is a bird of mountain woodland that builds a stick nest in a tree and lays usually a single egg in a clutch. LEGGE'S hawk-eagles eat small mammals, birds and reptiles. Despite its relatively modest size, LEGGE'S hawk-eagle is a powerful predator with large talons like many booted eagles, and is sometimes known to occasionally pursue prey as heavy or heavier than itself. This may include Indian peafowl. Their calls are like locally named LEGGE'S Kondakussa. I have seen a LEGGE'S hawk-eagle only once at our trip to Yala National Park. Did you know that Yala National Park is one of the world's best places to spot leopards? And this video shows when we saw a leopard at Yala National Park.